Starts.
You have asked me the question, why BCG is given intradermally? And what happens if you give it subcutaneously? The answer is, when we give BCG, we are giving live attenuated bacteria. Tuberculosis immunity is cellular immunity. Viral vaccines induce humoral immunity. When we give BCG intradermally, it is drained by lymphatics to lymph nodes. If it is given subcutaneous, it is not drained by lymphatics, it is drained by venous circulation, capillaries. So there are more chances of BCG take up and developing immunity if it is given intradermal. If it goes subcutaneous, there are more chances of infection, abscess, and lymphadenitis. BCG is to be given at the insertion of deltoid. The site is selected depending on lymphatic drainage of the area. If it is given at the insertion of deltoid, there are minimum complications as various areas around insertion of deltoid are drained by different lymphatic lymph nodes. If BCG is given 1 centimeter above, the lymph nodes will appear in cervical region. If BCG is given 1 centimeter anteriorly, it will cause anterior axillary lymphadenopathy. If BCG is given 1 centimeter posteriorly, it will cause posterior axillary lymphadenopathy. If BCG is given 1 centimeter below the insertion of deltoid, it may cause lymphadenopathy on inner side of the axilla. So, the site is important and intradermal is also important. Thank you.